guys ain't ever working anymore. Today, we're gonna film this white truck. This is my dad's work truck. And then, this is my dad's pickup truck for my work truck. So, this is my dad's truck because he used this truck for work because this is F-350 with the Super Duty, and then I didn't ask my dad. I didn't ask my dad. This is the power stroke. I haven't asked him. I asked my mom. My mom didn't know. Oh, is this the power stroke? And I did driving this white truck around here to help my dad to try to hook up the dump trailer and his job. And we got this from the hauling, the materials, and then we got I smashed this because my dad got really upset with me. And then this one right here, it's got a snow plow and hooked on here. And then we got this, the snow plow control, like you can go up and down. Oh, I'm gonna show you the snow plow. Oh, here's the snow plow. Oh. So, on the truck, I showed you the 2L in there, and then you can put this in there, and then see this, then lift this up, and then all this is the
connector.
The connector. And then this one is the connector, like those two plug. And then all this is the
connector.
The connector. And then this one is the connector, like those two plug. And then one thing, my dad just fixed the snowplow lights, and then I can't show you guys to hook up the snowplow and try to lift it. Inside the toolbox. Here's my dad's truck keys. Okay. Okay, so I have to lock this and unlock this over there. See right here, you have to go down there and lock it. Look. You hear that? And we just got a hitch on the back so you can hook up the trailer. So we got this, the plug, and then what's this?
Connect the chain.
Connect the chain, and we got those two. Hook the chain right here. It goes like this, and then hook the chain like this. We use this for transport, and then this got a metal on the back of the truck, and then we use it for firewood, and we use it for firewood, and then we take to my uncle's house. They like to burn a lot of wood, and then we we haul a board, a wall like. Oh, this one's got a water filter because this water don't work.
It's empty. It's empty.
It's empty. And then you go like this and try to crank it. Okay, so in this cab we got the steering wheel, we got the music, air conditioner, like the snow plow when you put 2WD X by 4.
Two-wheel drive.
How you say it?
4x4 high and 4x4 low.
By 4 by high and drive, and then you got all these tail switcher, like the
What do the tail switchers do?
Tail switcher, we got the trailer system braking.
The tail switchers controls the trailer.
And we got all this, and then got some feel good in the air. This, you can turn up the music. Oh, this one you put on forward drive, like peeing park. Like R, neutral, D,
and 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. So this is what my dad did. We're going up the hill by Grandma's house. He has to put 3 and 2 and 1.
You put it in 3, 2, or 1 when you go up a steep hill.
And then how many miles on this truck?
I don't know. And then this button right here is tow haul. If you're towing, you have a lot of weight in your trailer.
So
you put that on so it
so this is what
handles
my dad
the weight
did.
better.
So you see this button right here? You have to see the haul and towing, towing H-A-U-L.
Tow haul.
Tow haul. Oh, and then you gotta go like this and try it. And this one got the air working.
It feels real nice.
Feels real nice.
Feel that, guys? Just kidding.
Alright. So my dad's truck had the automatic, and the old truck has stick shift. It does have 3 pedals, and then I don't know how many miles on the old truck.
And this truck right here has a cup holder and extra storage right there.
So you can put another person, or you can put this in there. And then my dad keep a lot of stuff like this. Alright, are you guys ready to do test drive?
We're not driving on the road because Isaiah does not have his license. Go ahead and do the test drive. First, you want to take it out of park and you want to put it into drive. Now, AA, which pedal is drive and which is the brake?
Just the gas right here. Oh.
The one his foot on is the gas, and the one he just pressed is the brake.
And now I'll put it in reversed.
AA, when you're driving, how many hands do you keep on the wheel?
Actually, you know what? I drive with one hand because on the road, I'm gonna tell you this. On the road, you have to put the two steering. You gotta put your hand on there and you try to steer like this.
Yes, on the road, always use 2 hands.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and park this truck. And then we did talk about this truck. I hope you guys join in, like this video, and then hit me a comment down below. Oh, and then make sure hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye. Talk to you real soon. I haven't do my video for a long time, but I upload my two brother was doing two bike, and then I drive the bike on the road, like going back and forth. I just upload two video. Oh, and then I'm gonna upload this video soon. Actually, right now. Oh, and then my brother's gonna help me upload this video. Oh.
We hope you guys enjoy the video because we put a lot of work into with editing and uploading and filming them. And right now we're filming it and it's very hot outside. We're sweating very bad. But we're doing it for you guys. As you can see, AA's sweating really bad. But we're doing it for you guys so you guys get good content. And we hope you enjoyed the videos. Please hit that like button and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll see you on the next video.